Hello everybody. Oh, action. Hello everybody, Jeremy here in Southampton. We are staying at a very, very nice house. Zillow has it listed at $30 million. So it was definitely an opportunity that we shouldn't have refused. We almost, well, never fails. We almost didn't want to do it, and then we kind of came to our senses. So you don't really get a chance to stay at a $30 million house in West Hampton more than once in a lifetime. So here we are. That's the public beach, and it's about 500 yards to the north of the house we're staying at, which is coming up right here. Can't tell from the driveway, but the house is almost 10,000 square feet. And we are here because of this dog here. Our job was to dog sit. Hi, say hi, Archer.
I'm tired.
Okay, say bye, Archer.
Tired.
Bye. Crazy Archer. So up here is where we're staying. And that is the Mini Cooper they are letting us use. Incredibly generous. And that's the front of the house. Not sure what's over there. Let's take a look. I don't know if it's off limits, but I don't think anything is. The door's open. Oh. Another incredible bedroom. Not gonna go in. Someone's bedroom, not ours. Another bedroom. Another bedroom. And this is our bedroom. And since we're the dog sitters, this is where the dog is staying. And luckily the dog has slept through every night so far. And this is our view in the morning, which is incredible. As you can see, it's a windy day out there. Or maybe you can't. And that is about it for the tour. There's a entire downstairs that is as big as the entire floor, or as long as the entire house. But I don't feel comfortable going down there because that's where the help stays. But there's a large theater. There's a pool room, ping pong table. What else? And a huge garage, and I guess that's about it. I'm probably forgetting something, but the place is amazing. Almost 10,000 square feet. Good morning. It has become my job to walk the dog in the morning. I'm the early riser here. So here I go. Terrible task. No, I'm just kidding. I like it. I like being outside here. Beautiful. There he is. Come on. Come on, Archer. Let's go for our walk. Archer. I think Archer would rather eat the leash instead. Archer, pay attention. Come on, guy. Oh yeah, let's go near the beach. We're not going to go on the beach because he's a sand magnet, and I got to bring him to the house right afterwards. All right, let's go. Archer. Come on, Archer. Usually we go to the edge here. I don't want to walk on the beach just yet. I'll bring him in right after. He smells something. Anyway, good morning and goodbye. Good morning, everybody. So the regular routine is, in the morning, is I take the dog out, get him to go to the bathroom, play with him a little bit, and then we go into the town of Southampton to get our coffee. And we've been going to some place called Pears, and it's not really, I mean, the coffee is good, but all the pastries and everything they taste pretty much generic. Not like they're getting them from a bakery, like it's all from a, same giant factory somewhere that's mass producing this stuff. Anyway, the environment's very nice. And now we're gonna get into the little hot rod here and head on over. Thanks. Well, I complained earlier, but we ordered something anyway. Like I said, coffee's good. She doesn't know me. Pears. All right, very out of place in the Hamptons, but you have about maybe 12 smoke shops, dispensaries, marijuana dispensaries, all on the Montauk Highway, just leaving Southampton. Now what you expect here, here's another one, take out. And another one, Stepping Stones Vape, Native Sons Tobacco. Now check out this one. This is like a huge brand new building, cannabis dispensary. Carless Kitchen and Smoke Shop, very strange. B&B, drive-through cannabis. Another smoke shop. And I think one more and then we're done. No, that was it. Kind of out of place in Southampton, but whatever. Tomorrow's our last day here in Southampton. Today is very foggy on the beach. It's actually kind of nice because it's cool today. It's been pretty hot, which has been perfect for the pool. Got a nice tan, a little burn. Uh-oh, big dog down there. Hope it's friendly.
Thank you. I'll see tomorrow.